Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work. Today there are smart tools that help people write, organize, and create faster than ever. Two of the most popular are Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. Both are powered by advanced AI, but they do different things and work in different ways. People use these tools to help with emails, reports, presentations, and even creative thinking. The goal is simple: save time and make work easier. But with so many choices, it's hard to know which one to pick. That's why it's important to see what each AI can do. In this essay, we'll break down Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. We'll look at what each tool is good at, where they fit best, and how they help in the office. We'll also share examples, list the pros and cons, and help you decide which AI works for your needs. Let's dive into the world of AI for work and see which digital assistant comes out on top. Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant built right into Microsoft 365 apps. That means it works inside familiar programs like Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. It was made to help you work faster and smarter, especially if you spend a lot of time in these apps. Copilot can write emails for you, help build PowerPoint slides, and even analyze Excel data. If you need to draft a report, just tell Copilot what you want, and it will start writing. Need a smart chart or summary from rows of numbers? Copilot can handle that too. The power of Copilot is in its deep connection to your files and emails. It can pull up old documents, summarize meetings, and even suggest next steps for your projects. It acts a bit like a coworker who knows your files as well as you do, maybe even better. Using Copilot is simple if you already use Microsoft 365. Just look for the Copilot icon in the app, click it, and type what you need help with. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot made by OpenAI. It's designed to answer questions, write content, and help you think through problems. ChatGPT isn't tied to any single app. You use it by chatting in a web browser or through official apps. Users can ask ChatGPT to write essays, explain concepts, or brainstorm ideas. It's like talking to a very smart friend who knows a lot about almost everything. If you need a summary of a long article or want ideas for a project, just ask. ChatGPT can also help you write emails, but it doesn't have direct access to your inbox or files unless you copy and paste. It's best at creative writing, generating new ideas, and making complex topics easier to understand. You don't need special software to use ChatGPT. Just visit the website, log in, and start typing your questions or requests. Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT both use AI, but their features are different. Copilot is built into Microsoft 365, so it connects directly with your emails, calendars, and documents. That means it can help you find information, update files, and even organize your day. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is more general. It's great for answering questions or coming up with fresh ideas, but it doesn't have access to your work files unless you share them. It's like a smart assistant, but outside of your main work tools. Copilot shines when you need to automate office tasks. It can make charts from data, write meeting notes, or suggest better ways to say something in a document. ChatGPT is stronger when you want to brainstorm, learn new things, or need creative writing. Both tools use natural language, so you can talk to them almost like you'd talk to a person. But what they can do with your request is different, because of where they work and what they connect to. Let's look at how people use these tools in everyday work. Imagine you're writing a report. With Microsoft Copilot, you can ask it to summarize your last 3 meetings and add the key points straight into your draft. It can pull data from your calendar and emails, saving you time. If you're building a presentation, Copilot can turn your notes into slides, suggest images, and even write talking points. For data-heavy jobs, it analyzes Excel sheets and creates charts or explains trends. It's all about making Microsoft 365 tasks faster and easier. ChatGPT, meanwhile, is great when you need to brainstorm new campaign ideas or write a first draft of a tricky email. If you have a long article to read, you can paste it into ChatGPT and ask for a summary. You can also use ChatGPT to practice writing in a new style or create creative content for social media posts. In a real office, some teams use both. For example, the marketing team might use Copilot for slide decks and ChatGPT for campaign slogans. Ease of use is important, especially when you're busy. Copilot is simple for anyone who already uses Microsoft 365. You don't need to learn a new app. Just click the Copilot button in Word, Excel, or Outlook and start typing what you want. The AI is right where you work. ChatGPT is also easy to use, but in a different way. You open a browser or app, type your question, and get a response. There's no setup and no need to link your work accounts. It's straightforward, but you do need to copy and paste information if you want specific help with work documents. Copilot feels like a built-in helper, always ready when you need it in your usual apps. ChatGPT feels more like a smart chat partner, great for questions or creative tasks, but separate from your daily work tools. Both are user-friendly. The difference is that Copilot blends into your work, while ChatGPT is always just a new tab away. Where you find these tools and what they cost makes a big difference. Microsoft Copilot is part of Microsoft 365, so you get it if your company pays for the right plan. Some features need extra Copilot licenses, which can add to the cost. Copilot is not available if you use a free version of Word, Excel, or Outlook. ChatGPT is available on the web, with a free version that handles many tasks. There's also ChatGPT Plus, a paid version that is faster and gives access to the newest AI models. You don't need a company subscription. Anyone can sign up and start using it. Copilot is deeply integrated into your work apps, but you need to be part of the Microsoft ecosystem. ChatGPT is open to everyone, but it doesn't connect to your files unless you upload or paste the content. For businesses already using Microsoft 365, Copilot might be a simple add-on. For freelancers or small teams, ChatGPT's free or low-cost options can be more attractive. Both Copilot and ChatGPT have strong points, and some limits. Copilot's biggest strength is its tight link with your Microsoft files, emails, and meetings. It understands your work context and automates routine office jobs. But it only works in Microsoft 365 and you need a paid subscription. ChatGPT is flexible and easy to access from anywhere. It's fantastic for creative thinking, exploring new ideas, or learning about new topics. But it can't manage your files or emails directly. You have to copy and paste for work-specific help. Copilot can sometimes miss the creative touch that ChatGPT brings. ChatGPT, while creative, sometimes gives answers that are too general or not work-specific. Security is another factor. Copilot keeps your work inside your company, while using ChatGPT with private data needs care. Choosing the right tool depends on your main tasks and how much you value integration versus creativity. So which AI is best for work? If your job is heavy on office tasks, like writing emails, making reports, or analyzing data, Microsoft Copilot is the winner. It saves time by working inside your usual apps and knows your files and meetings. It's perfect for office professionals, managers, and teams who live in Microsoft 365. If your work is more about ideas, learning, or creativity, ChatGPT stands out. It's the better tool for brainstorming, writing stories, or coming up with new marketing angles. It's also great for those who don't use Microsoft 365 or want a flexible, easy-to-access assistant. Many people use both. For example, you might use Copilot for reports and ChatGPT for social media posts or creative briefs. It's not always about picking just one. Artificial intelligence has made work easier and faster. Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT are two of the best tools out there, each with strengths and weaknesses. Copilot is great for office tasks, thanks to its deep integration with Microsoft 365. ChatGPT is a creative powerhouse ready to help with ideas and learning. The best choice depends on your job. If you work with lots of emails, calendars, and documents, Copilot saves hours every week. If you need help with creative thinking, learning, or general questions, ChatGPT is the way to go. In the end, the smartest move is to pick the tool that fits your daily work. Or better yet, combine both for the ultimate AI-powered workflow.